Jordon Hudson, the 24-year-old girlfriend of 73-year-old Hall of Fame-bound coach Bill Belichick, is no stranger to attention. But her latest move may bring even more than she ever anticipated. Hudson recently posted on Instagram that she plans to sue Pablo Torre, the journalist and podcast host at Pablo Torre, alongside a photo that suggests the potential lawsuit would focus on Torre's claim from May 2025 that Hudson had been banned from the North Carolina football facility. The word banned is open to interpretation. It could mean she was no longer welcome at a place she never actually worked for. It could also imply that security might be called if she showed up. Either way, Florio notes that a defamation claim like this faces significant legal hurdles and could invite far more scrutiny than Hudson might expect. As a public figure, Hudson would need to meet a high bar to succeed in court. Public figure defamation cases require proving actual malice. It's not enough to show that a statement was false. She would have to prove that Torre either knew the statement was false or acted with reckless disregard for the truth. Even if she cleared that hurdle, the discovery process could get messy. Lawyers would dig into Hudson's reputation before the statement in question, examining whether any reputational harm truly occurred. This could open a long list of personal, potentially intrusive and embarrassing questions. It doesn't stop there. A lawsuit would almost certainly involve a sworn deposition of Bill Belichick himself. He could be questioned for hours or even days, and there would be no easy way to avoid answering. Every detail of his interactions, decisions, and communications could be subject to scrutiny. Florio emphasizes that taking Torre to court could be a risky move for Hudson. The legal process could expose personal details and generate headlines far beyond the original claim. For Torre and his podcast, however, the story is a boon. Lawsuits like this tend to draw attention, increase listenership, and fuel ongoing media coverage. In short, while Hudson may feel that legal action is justified, the reality is that suing Torre could backfire, opening a Pandora's box of legal, public, and media complications. For anyone following the saga, it's a developing story that blends celebrity, sports, and law into a high-stakes drama that shows no signs of slowing down. This could become one of the most talked-about cases in sports media, not just for what happens in court, but for the insight it provides into the complexities of public life, reputations, and the challenges of navigating fame in the modern media landscape.